sometimes all you need is a little overdrive. The Cicada from Olinthus must be the world's smallest overdrive pedal. I mean, look at it in context. That's a normal sized enclosure. It is minuscule, right? Now the green colour may give away that it's a recreation of a tube screamer, specifically the TS808 flavour. Now you connect it up using this provided cable. This is like a three-pronged thing, so you've got an input and output and a power all connected to this. And this end here, if you can see that is a TRRS jack, which this fits into like so, and then away you go, right? You connect it up. Now it's fully stompable too. There's like a hinge at the top, so the entire thing is kind of the on-off pedal. Can you hear this? Right, and it's got a little LED that comes on as well. Very cool. Let's have a little look, shall we? So my clean tone. Fairly clean, right? And I've got some very appropriately named song titles for you. First up, Meat Puppets, Tiny Kingdom. There's more of these. So with these settings, I've got the drive at 0, and I've also got the tone right the way back. When you increase the tone, you get a little bit more grit happening as well as brightness. So we have this. Just a nice light amount of drive, even at 0. Move the drive up to halfway. Nice, right? Gain all the way up. And don't forget, I've got the tone right the way back, okay? So it's quite a dark tone, right? But still very usable. Now, we're going to look at some Pixies. Pixies, small. Where's my mind? With these settings. But much closer if I bring the treble up now, right? Which is really close, I think, to that sort of level of gain and tone. For this next one, I've backed off the tone ever so slightly, Mud Honey. I like it small. Lovely, isn't it? Lovely with single coils, isn't it? Now with the drive all the way down and the tone right in the middle. Again, my clean tone. So straight off the bat, you're getting a decent amount, aren't you, at 0? We're doing a little look at Elderly Woman Behind the Counter in a Small Town. Thank you. love the tone on neck pickup, actually. Lovely. Let's try some P90s as well. And we're going to do Dinosaur Jr. Guess which tune? Tiny, of course. Goes like this. Nice tone, that, isn't it? Now this circuit's great for stacking into other drive pedals, so let's check that out. I'm using the 1991 with kind of everything roughly in the middle. Sounds like that. The Cicada. Bringing in some meatiness, is going to add some tone. So I've turned that off. So here's the 1991 with the Cicada. So I hope you've enjoyed the demo. It's a really, really fun pedal. Great bit of engineering. But it also sounds very good indeed. So I'm going to play you out with Blink-182. Small Things, you guessed it. See you soon.